This video explains the setup process to connect the Allen Bradley CompactLogix 5370 and SX8R using Ethernet IP communication. CompactLogix 5370, EtherNet IP scanner, master station, SX8R bus coupler module, and FC6A I/O modules. EtherNet IP adapter, slave station. The system configuration for the Ethernet IP adapter is the SX8R bus coupler module and 4 I/O modules. After checking and confirming the positioning and alignment, firmly connect the units. If the stopper is raised, push it into place. The remaining I/O modules can be attached in the same way. Connect a LAN cable to Ethernet port 1 front on the CompactLogix controller and Ethernet port 1 on the SX8R. Next, set up the SX8R and each of the I/O modules. Launch the SX8R configurator program. Connect the SX8R to a PC with a LAN cable. Click on the Read Module Configuration button to view the current system configuration, the SX8R and the I/O modules. Click on the I/O module you want to set up, and a dialog box will open. From the Settings dialog box for analog input modules, you can set the signal type and data format for each channel. Analog channel 0, AI0. Set the signal type to 4 to 20 mA DC and the data format to binary data. Analog channel 1, AI1. Set the signal type to 0 to 10 VDC and the data format to binary data. Analog channel 2, AI2. Set to type K, thermocouple. Analog channel 3, AI3. Set to PT100. If the data format is set to Celsius, the appropriate values will be calculated automatically. Click the OK button to finish. The same settings are available for the analog output modules. Next, select Communication Settings for the SX8R. Give the SX8R remote I/O system a name. Set the communication mode for Ethernet port 1 to Ethernet IP adapter. Choose a download password and an upload password. Confirm the network address is set for the Ethernet IP adapter. Ethernet IP shared. Memory is automatically assigned to each device address for the SX8R. Download this setting data to the SX8R unit. When the download is completed successfully, a confirmation dialog box will appear. Click OK to continue. Next, set up the connected PLC as the Ethernet IP scanner. Launch the Studio 5000 Logic Designer program. Connect the CompactLogix 5370 to a PC with a USB cable. Under Create in the main menu, select New Project. Select the CompactLogix controller to program and give the project a name. Set the revision to 32. Click on Tools and select EDS Hardware Installation Tool to launch the EDS wizard. Download the SX8R EDS file from the IDEC website and import and register it in EDS Wizard. In the Controller Organizer window, select EtherNet under I/O configuration and then click New Module. Under the Catalog tab, search for and select the SX8R. Click Create, then give the device a name and IP address as a network Ethernet IP adapter. Confirm the Ethernet IP shared memory assigned in SX8R configurator and set the input-output data size. Download these communication settings and the ladder program for confirming operation to the CompactLogix 5370. These are the device address allocations between the SX8R EtherNet IP adapter and the CompactLogix 5370 EtherNet IP scanner. You can confirm the temperature from the thermocouple connected to analog input channel 2, D0044, using the CompactLogix 5370 data. Click on an I/O module to enable channel monitoring for that module. Click on Monitor to begin monitoring. The on-off status and current values for each module can be confirmed while monitoring. For example, here you can see that the temperature measurement from the thermocouple is 19.2 degrees. Open Studio 5000 to confirm monitor operation on the corresponding monitoring screen. The CompactLogix 5370 and the PC need to be connected with a USB cable. Here, the data is being viewed from the Studio 5000 monitor screen. Note, SX8R configurator and Studio 5000 are running at the same time. The data from analog input channel 2, D0044, connected to the SX8R is assigned to EIP adapter 1, IDEC on the CompactLogix 5370 side for Ethernet IP communication. This data is configured for EIP adapter 1, IDEC. Here, analog input channel data, AI2, is being viewed from the SX8R configurator monitoring screen. Note, SX8R configurator and Studio 5000 are running at the same time. You can confirm that the remote I/O's analog input data, AI2, is being imported to the CompactLogix 5370. Note, SX8R configurator and Studio 5000 are running at the same time.